Hi, my name is Yoon, co-founder of Digger, and we just raised $5.4 million to kill all marketing agencies, starting with paid ads. Introducing Playad, your first AI marketing team that creates, manages, and optimizes your ads. Let's try running ads for our favorite wellness brand, Press Juicery. And tell Playad, make 5 new creatives for my brand and upload them to Meta and Google Ads. Watch what happens. The agents inside Playad collaborate to form creative direction, design A/B tests, generate the ads, launch them, and ultimately learn from the results. So that the more you run the ads, the more Playad learns. So better the results. But here's what makes Playad completely different. Generic AI gives you generic slop. Playad asks the right questions first, learns the brand, and produces results that actually looks like yours. Finally, let's ask Playad to send weekly performance reports and daily creative suggestions. Playad will then set it on its scheduler and shoot you an email or a Slack with a summary of everything you have to know. Now, you don't have to check in on Playad. Playad will check in with you. And we've been seeing some great results. Our client used to spend 20 plus hours a week just making creatives. Now, they spend 1 hour a week on Playad, and their ROAS jumped from 1.5 to 2.3. It's less work with better results. And this is no luck. Playad is trained by marketers who've spent over $100 million in ad spend across fashion, commerce, and gaming. And their knowledge is packaged into an AI team that works for you. This is what marketing looks like in 2026, and we're just getting started. To celebrate, we're giving up to 5 months free for our new annual subscription plan, limited time only. We've also analyzed 100 top-performing ads that you can drop straight into Playad and launch today. Retweet and comment Playad, and I'll personally send you the free pack.